Dear students, I am Bharat Kashyap, lecturer biology at GSSS Majwar district Mandi. Today I am going to teach you 8th chapter of biology, human health and diseases, and today's topic is drugs and alcohol abuse. Today's topic addiction. We will discuss tobacco, alcohol or drug abuse. Let us define addiction. The physical and mental dependency on smoking, alcohol, and drugs is called addiction. The person who has become dependent upon these chemicals is called an addict. Addict is so dependent on the drugs that he cannot live without their daily use. Addiction has been reported on the rise in the adolescent groups. This is of serious concern because abuse of tobacco, alcohol, or drugs produces many ill effects of individual health, his/her family, and even society. Now, let us discuss first tobacco, its addiction and source. Tobacco is derived from the dried and cured leaves of young branches of two species of tobacco plant of Solanaceae family. It is a native of America. These species are Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. Tobacco is taken in the form of cigarettes or bidis. These are smoked, whereas it is also chewed and sniffed. Tobacco is a harmful intoxicant and contain highly poisonous alkaloid, which is a nitrogen containing organic compound, and it is named as nicotine. It is so toxic that amount of nicotine present in one cigarette, if injected intravenously, it may prove fatal. Tobacco smoke contain carbon monoxide, nitrogen, nitrosodimethyl, benzpyrene, which is a cancer-causing chemical, and tar, which form sticky layer and cause diseases in lungs. Now, effects of nicotine. Nicotine stimulates conduction of nerve impulses. It stimulates adrenal medulla to secrete adrenaline and non-adrenaline hormones. This increases constriction of blood vessels. It also increases rate of heartbeat, blood pressure, and cardiac output, that is the amount of blood passes through heart per minute. It relaxes the muscles of body. Its regular use causes addiction, that is dependency on the nicotine or this chemical. Now diseases caused by use of tobacco. Benzpyrene, which is a chemical found in tobacco, is carcinogenic. Tobacco smoking and chewing may cause cancers of lungs, lips, and mouth. Tobacco smoking may cause inflammation of mucosa of throat and bronchi, which results in coughing and bronchitis diseases. Nicotine increases secretion of adrenaline and non-adrenaline hormones, which increase blood pressure and heartbeat, may cause cardiovascular diseases. Tobacco may cause inflammation of lung alveoli to decrease surface area for gaseous exchange, and this is called emphysema disease. Increased secretion of gastric juice cause gastric and duodenal ulcers. Carbon monoxide of tobacco rapidly binds to hemoglobin of RBC and forms carboxyhemoglobin, and carbon monoxide poisoning, which decrease oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin, thus cause hypoxia, that is deficiency of oxygen in all body tissues. Nicotine retards fetal growth in the mother's womb. Next is alcoholism. Regular consumption of alcohol causes dependency on alcohol, which is called alcoholism. Alcohol is not a food, as alcohol is a simple organic compound which needs no digestion. It is rapidly absorbed from stomach and upper part of intestine into the blood, immediately transported to all body cells. In these cells, it is oxidized to produce large amount of heat, which is not required to body. To avoid this uncontrolled increase in body temperature, body's energy is used to expel extra heat. Thus, blood transportation on skin increase. This gives the false impression of warmth. So, blood supply to internal organs greatly reduced and causing decrease in their temperature. Hence, presence of alcohol in body tissues has ill effects on human health. So, alcohol cannot be considered as a food. Now, let us discuss, is alcohol a stimulant? Alcohol acts as a sedative, which means to decrease functional efficiency of individual. Then depressant, which means it depresses or lowers the activity of central nervous system or brain. And anesthetic, which means it causes loss of sensation, as it reduces the efficiency of every system of the body. So alcohol cannot be considered as a stimulant. Now, the ill effects of alcohol. First, on nervous system, it causes loss of judgment, willpower, and self-control, loss of emotional control, so show foolish laughter or sadness, loss of moral sense, so show antisocial behavior by an alcoholic person. It show blurred vision, double vision, and improper judgment of distance by an alcoholic individual. On stomach, a high dose of alcohol may cause inflammation in lining of stomach. This is called gastritis. And very important effect on liver. Alcohol is changed into toxic acetaldehyde, which synthesize fats from alcohol. So liver becomes storehouse of fats and called fatty acid syndrome. Liver becomes hard, dry, and liver cells are replaced by fibrous tissue. This is called cirrhosis of liver and also the liver cancer. Now, drug addiction. The habitual non-medical use of certain drugs form a habit and one becomes a drug dependent. This is called drug dependency or drug abuse. The drugs, when consumed in high concentration and frequent use, acts on brain and change behavior and consciousness of an individual and are called mood altering or psychoactive drugs. Now, types of drugs. On the basis of their mode of action on brain, these have four categories. First one are sedative and tranquilizers. These act as depressants and suppress the activities of CNS. Sedatives gives calmness, relaxation and induce sleep. For example, barbiturates, these are synthetic sedatives and called sleeping pills. Then tranquilizers, they slow down the centers of brain and relieves from worries, but no effect on working efficiency. For example, benzodiazepines like Valium, Rezapine, etc. Now, narcotics and opioids, these act as depressant and analgesic, so commonly called painkillers. Opiates lessens pain, reduce tension and anxiety. They lower blood pressure, respiration rate, and induce drowsiness. Example, opium is obtained from dried latex of unripe capsules of white poppy plant. Its scientific name is Papaver somniferum. Opium derivatives include morphine and codeine as chemicals. Morphine is strong, very effective, sedative and analgesic, but it causes addiction. Whereas codeine, which is methyl morphine, is a mild analgesic but cause no drug addiction. So codeine is used in medicines and cough syrups. Then heroin, it is the diacetyl morphine. It is commonly called smack or brown sugar. It is white crystalline compound, most dangerous opiate, which is either smoked, sniffed, or inhaled or injected. Next are stimulants. These are also named as mood elevators. These increase the activity of CNS. These induce excitement, self-confidence, alertness, make more wakeful, and loss of appetite as well. Its examples are caffeine. It is derived from the seeds of coffee plant or Coffea arabica. Then leaves of tea plant, Thea sinensis. Then seeds of cacao plant, Theobroma cacao. Caffeine is mildest stimulant and used as cardiac and nervous stimulant. Next is cocaine. It is derived from South American plant Erythroxylon coca. It interferes with transport of neurotransmitter dopamine found in brain. It is a strong stimulant, but its overdose cause severe headache, hallucination, and death. This is the plant Erythroxylon coca. Next are hallucinogens. These drugs change thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. These are also called psychedelic drugs, as these have a strong effect on cerebrum and sense organs. Now let us study effects of hallucinogens. They cause hallucinations, which means seeing the objects which are not present. Nightmares, that is horrible dreams. Floating sensation, dilate the pupil, increased sugar level in blood, and increased frequency of urination. Its examples are lysergic acid diethylamide. It is also called LSD. It is the most dangerous hallucinogen, causing chromosomal and fetal abnormalities. LSD is derived from dried fruiting body of fungus called Sclerotium of Ergatophryae. The fungus name is Claviceps purpurea. The fungus parasitizes the ovaries of flower of rye plant. You can look the rye plant here, and the ergets are present on the ear of the plant. Now the products of hemp plant or cannabinoids. Cannabinoids affect brain, cardiovascular system, dilate the pupil, increase urination and sugar level. Two species of hemp plants whose dried leaves, resins and flowers yield the drugs. These species are Cannabis indica, which provide bhang, ganja, charas, also known as hashish. Then Cannabis sativa, which provide marijuana. These are banned drugs. These are generally taken by inhalation and oral ingestion. Cannabis produces about 50 cannabinoids. Other well-known plants with hallucinogenic properties are Atropa belladonna, which yield atropine, and datura. You can look these plants in the diagrams. With this, we come to close of the today's lecture and the chapter of diseases. Thanks for watching.